Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Neewer magnetic ND filter set for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. In this kit, you get 6 ND filter lenses. Because they are magnetic, they pop on super easy. I really love the ease of putting these on. The ND rating of the lens is listed on the side of each lens. They go from ND 16 up to 256. There is also a CPL filter and a UV. The little container they come in is great as well, and it's magnetic also, so your lens just pop in and hold. They're not going to accidentally come out. The container also has little magnets on the corners. Let me try to give you some examples just here in my office. They're going to work way better outside in brighter sunlight, but let's see if I can show you some examples here. Let's start out with no filter on the Pocket 3, ND 16, ND 32, ND 64, ND 256. The CPL filter has a rotating dial and helps to get more vivid colors in your shots. In its simplest terms, these ND filters are merely sunglasses for your Pocket 3, which you need for outdoor shooting. I want to show you an example of a sunset time-lapse without using an ND filter on the Pocket 3. As you can see, the sun is just extremely blown out. Now I went back the next night and here's the sunset with the ND 32 filter. Much better results. Now I'm still learning these filters. I'm very excited about the results that I'm going to get from these Neewer ND filters. I really like these Neewer ND filters made for the DJI Pocket 3. I think you will too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.